Good afternoon, AJ with AJ's Wildcat Accessories, ajswildcataccessories.com. We've been rebuilding the gearboxes for the Wildcat1000, 2012 all the way up to 16. Building a gearbox that just turns so easy, flawlessly. These gearboxes is proven to be bulletproof already. Although everybody's not real happy with the slider situation, but we have built a slider for this unit that is built out of the best materials. There's also some other slider units out there, way better than what the factory ever provided. What the factory provided was just light-duty aluminum, light-duty steel. They wear out in 500, 700, up to 1,000 miles, just depending on the conditions that you ride in. One of the main reasons for rebuilding these gearboxes is they come apart on the inside. You've seen the previous videos. The screws come out of the end that hold the plastic bushings on. The gearboxes are not true on the inside. Nothing is true about the gearbox other than where the bearing goes. So we took it in, took one apart, seen what we can do with them. We've built a load of these gearboxes and got them out the door. Folks are loving them. The ease is a good 65 to 70% easier than the factory gearbox. So what we've got is just an assembly jig, just made out of plywood. It's nothing special, with 2 stud bolts sticking out to hold the gearbox case and the shaft in place while the gearbox is assembled. So just to show you what this one here does, it just drops down through the hole, sets down on the studs. When the gearbox is apart, then you start putting everything on the inside. The gearbox doesn't move, nothing falls in the floor. It's on a taper to keep everything in the back side. Once everything's put inside and it's greased, these gearboxes turn super easy, just with the push of a finger. And we make them to where you get full throw, left to right, all the way. I have seen some of the factory ones not go all the way. That could be to the fact that what the factory used was screws in the ends of the gear. Torques, they wasn't even tight. I actually have brand spanking new units shipped to us to be taken apart and rebuilt this way. Once the gearbox is built this way, I doubt you ever have a problem out of it unless you bust it. Chances of that, well, yeah, you can hit a rock, you can hit a stump, you can hit a tree, you can jerk the wheel out of your hand. Anything can break. But what we have built right here is a super strong gearbox using all factory parts, less what's inside of the gearbox as to what we build it out of. Again, this is a greasable gearbox. It does have a drain plug, and it does turn with the lightest of ease. So once it's attached to your power motor, just imagine the ease that it has to turn with the power motor, turning it where it needs to be. So if you have any questions, give us a shout here at AJ's, Monday through Friday. Thanks, folks, and have a great day.